Introducing OnePlus 15. Driven by 3 extraordinary chips. Chip 1, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the world's fastest mobile CPU, boosted by the OP gaming core for always-on 120 FPS gameplay. Next up, the touch response chip to aim sharper and shoot sooner. On an industry-first 165Hz on a 1.5K display. Pure fire. And of course, the Wi-Fi chip for faster speeds and improved range. Gaming? If you got it, good. If you don't, be worried. All powered by a flagship-first 7,300 mAh battery. With Plus Mind, save photos, inspiration, and more to Mindspace. Talk to your memories, just like that. While all new Oxygen OS 16 levels up the smooth, so you can do this, and even this. Speaking of smooth, capture 4K 120 FPS with Dolby Vision and get cinematic. The only thing missing? Limits. For those who never settle. OnePlus 15. Power on, limits off.